my packing list. So green and luscious, like. Yes, I'm holding my wand because I think I just got my outfit together for tomorrow and I'm obsessed. Okay, so my wand and my scarf are from the Universal Studios Park. Sweater is from Abercrombie. Skirt is actually the one from my K-drama series on my Instagram. I'm gonna leave it like playing right here if you want to see. It was really affordable and I was about to return it because I didn't feel like I was gonna use it again. I missed the return date, but I'm kind of glad because oh my gosh, I'm a Hogwarts schoolgirl again.
What did you just buy? It's like a hamster wheel.
Fly! Wednesday and the sun is already setting. I started packing for my trip to Canada tomorrow. I'm headed to Vancouver to attend my cousin's postponed wedding. This was supposed to happen in 2020, so it's a long time coming. So to help with this process, I've made a packing list. I did one of these before in my travel series back in like 2019, 2018, I don't remember, and you guys really liked to see like what my essentials were, so I'm going to show you my updated one on my Notion because that's what I've been using lately. So this is my packing list on my Notion. I've kind of categorized everything from like outfits to like beauty and skincare and all the miscellaneous things. These are the days I'm going to be there, and I've kind of broken down, everything by like what the events are. So like I'm just gonna be flying tomorrow and then I'm gonna need to sleep, and then like for Saturday I have like a few hours in the morning to get stuff done, and then I have the wedding at night, which I've of course planned my wedding outfit. And then for beauty, I've also categorized everything and I've listed the exact products I'm bringing, so I just know what I have and what I might need, and also helps me keep track of what I need to bring home too. Also made an important tab for just things I really cannot forget, like my passport, vaccination card. But I can't even continue packing right now because I actually have a date night with Kenny. I am running late, so we will get back to packing when I get through. It is so beautiful outside. This is the backyard of my mom's sister's home. It's a gloomy day and it'll be gloomy all weekend, but honestly, the greenery in Vancouver is like so unmatched. It's so green and luscious, like everywhere you look. We actually woke up super early this morning to drive my brothers to the train station. They're using our only full day today to go snowboarding, and even just like driving around, it was so beautiful. Anyway, I am so tired because I slept really late last night. We got in at like 11 p.m. and then still had to, go through baggage claim, customs, get our car rental, picked up some A&W on the way home, and then, had to wash up for bed and all of that. Probably didn't sleep till like 2 a.m. and my alarm was set for 5. So because I knew I was so tired, I didn't want to miss my alarm and I just kept waking up. But actually there's no time to rest because my mom and I are headed back to the city in Vancouver to do a high tea with the Fairmont Hotel. So I am so excited about that. And I'm running late, so I need to get ready.
It's like marshmallow. Toasted. Oh, hindi ko pinipira.